Welcome. In this video, we will be focusing on how to use the data format feature. Changing the data format can greatly enhance the report recipient's ability to easily consume and interpret the information being presented. The data format types we will cover in this video are number, percent, elapsed time, and bar. Let's take a look at the report I have up. In the first column, we see the username field with the data type text. In the second column, we see the visit field with data type number. And in the third column, we see the visits represented as data type bar with percentage. We are now in the report template section editor of the product, and we are looking at the configuration screen for the report we were just reviewing. Let's add time online to this report and take a look at the output. Here we see our updated report with our new column containing the metric time online with the data format of elapsed time. We are now back on the configuration screen for the report we are reviewing. This time I'm going to drag in time online metric, and we're going to see here we have two time online metrics with the same data format of elapsed time. We also see up top we have a warning message telling us that we cannot have two data types of the same format. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the data format for our second time online metric here. So I'm going to click the Edit Data Format. I'm going to select the pull down, and I'm going to see my data format options I have for time. And we could see we have elapsed time, percent, or text. So I'm going to select percent in this case. So let's go take a look at the output. We can see in our report output now that we have a column for the time online metric that's represented as a data format percentage. We can now see how useful this feature is in aiding managers in understanding the reports. Here we have one column of time online representing the hours. The other column representing percentage gives us some relationship to that usage to other employees. Also, with the visit column, we see the same thing. We see clicks to sites in one column and a percentage of clicks related to others in the organization. And this is very useful in giving a perspective to the person consuming the reports on how much actual time related to the rest of the company or how much activity or visits were done related to the rest of the company. I hope you found this video useful, and please check out our other videos and resources on our website. Thank you.